Hey guys, it's Rainer here, and today I'm going to be showing you an unboxing video of a LethalGarage Flex Fuel Kit. This is how the package arrived. It's the back of the package because the front of our package has my name and address in it. So yeah, here we go. So I bought this thing on Friday, I think, on Friday, and they started to ship it on Monday. So today's Wednesday and I just received it, so that's basically 2 days shipping. And so that's the box, that's how it came in with. And that's what's inside. Not sure if you guys can see it, but it says that to run this Flex Fuel Kit, it requires a tune. And there's an install guide. There's an install guide listed here on the website. That's basically instructions. They gave us this is a fuel line disconnector tool that can be used with the kit, and you guys will need this if you guys are going to install the Flex Fuel Kit. And LethalGarage included this in the kit, so you don't have to worry about this. This is the Flex Fuel sensor. It's an OEM GM part, which is a GM 135-77429. It's that. So if you guys want a Flex Fuel sensor from GM, that's the part number. You can pause this video and see it. They included some wirings as well. This is the wiring that goes with the Flex Fuel Kit. I watched the instruction video a little bit, and it requires you to remove some of the connections or something like that through the ECU. So this is a pretty complicated installation. And last but not least, they included a fuel line. So basically, the OEM fuel line goes to one end of the sensors, and this fuel line goes to the next end of the sensors, and this connects it back to the thing. I don't know, but yeah, that's basically it. So this kit contains a fuel line, and parts number are if you want to do this kit, but you don't want to. But you want to buy the pieces separately, or you have one piece and you want to buy the other piece. The GM part number for the fuel line is this. For the fuel sensor, it's 135-77429. That's the fuel sensor. But I suggest you just go buy the kit from LethalGarage because they included everything you need to do this thing. They included the wirings even, and I don't know which GM part number this is, or if you can get it separate on the internet. So this is what the Flex Fuel sensor looks like. So you take off the red parts. This is just a cover to keep them clean. And so all you need to do is plug in your fuel lines on either of this one, and it's reversible, so it doesn't matter which goes where first. And so this is the wiring that came up with the kit. And last is gonna be the fuel line. So that's what the fuel line looks like. It even said the part numbers there, which is that 229-12576. It says that it's imported. It's made in Canada. Wow. And that's it. That's all the content of this thing. This is the Flex Fuel Kit for a 2010 to 2015 Camaro SS. So this is not for the 6th gen Camaro SS, this is for a 5th gen Camaro SS. Oh, I forgot to mention that many of you might want to know what the price of this Flex Fuel Kit is. So I did some research online, and I bought the one from LethalGarage Incorporated, and it cost me $225 US. So yeah, that's basically it. That's the content of the box once again, and the instruction that came with it, but that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.